Developing now, Governor Herbert will address the state in just about a half an hour about the latest surge in coronavirus cases.
Meanwhile, Fox 13 has learned he is not planning to move Salt Lake City to an orange restriction level yet. So we're going to go out to Fox 13's Ben Winslow on Capitol Hill with the very latest. Ben, good morning.
Good morning. In an interview with Fox 13 following last night's vice presidential debate, I asked the governor about Salt Lake City Mayor Aaron Mendenhall's request to move the city back to an orange restriction level. Now, the mayor says that COVID-19 cases are simply too high and more restrictions need to be implemented. The governor told me he's not likely to grant it this week and wants to meet with the mayor first.
Before we make a decision, we got to make sure what the request is specifically. It's more than just going to orange, as I understand it. So I've got to find out for sure, have a discussion, see if they're requesting something we can grant or something we think would be appropriate to do. And so that discussion is yet to be had, and then maybe by next week we can maybe have a decision as far as what we should or should not do.
Any further restrictions you're considering, though, given that we've had over 1,000 new cases almost every single day for the last week and a half?
You know, we've had those hot spots. Again, Orem and Provo come to mind. The good news is that those are starting to now slack off. So we've had some reduction there. It's still too high. It really is a matter of everybody kind of taking ownership. You know, government can only do so much, and whether it's a mandate or whether we're asking you to do it because it's the right thing to do and you use your own free will and agency to make good choices. Unless we all kind of come together and say, I'm going to help protect you and you're going to help protect me and our vulnerable populations, we won't get out of this as well as we could.
Now, I'm told today's COVID-19 numbers for Utah, the number of new coronavirus cases is expected to be bad again. The governor is set to hold a news conference with the state epidemiologist at around 11:30. When that happens, we'll show at least part of it to you here on Fox 13. Live on the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.